Doogie catcher who runs. So that works out well. They did get a few hits off. One was that infield hit I was on the phone with you on. They got another bloop infield hit, and they got one more good single. Yeah, they got one good single off, and that was it. Otherwise, they shut it down. So, yeah, I mean, he had a good day. I think he had a good time. I think everything's going well. Jeff didn't come. I was like, I guess Jeff forgot, so he didn't want to come with us. So it was just Murray, Phil, and myself again. And we had a good time. I mean, probably cost me $40 less than it would have. But anyway, we had a good time. They enjoyed it. Murray's the big guy that will push. His name is James Murray. James Murray. I think all of that will really subside.